Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 14 of Surah Al-An'am and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أغير الله أتخذ وليا فاطر السماوات والأرض. قل قaf for Dhamma circle lips and make qaf heavy, attach it lam. Qaf is heavy but don't make lam light, lam heavy. So make lam light and give tawassut on lam. Qul hamza is sharp of a open jaws. This is yailin. So make it soft when you are attaching fatha with ya, and make sure you make ghain heavy. Ghain, qa and qaf. Ghain, qa and qa. These are the heavy letters, but they are munfatiha. They don't have itbaq. So make sure you apply this infitah sifa of infitah here. Gha, ghai, raw. Make raw heavy because whenever it is with fatha or dhamma it is heavy. So here it is heavy. For fatha open jaws, attach it lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Raw. Lafz jalala is always long. Allah. Sometimes lafz jalala gets the sound of ghunna into it, and that is wrong. Why it happens? Because if I can draw a picture of tongue for you. So for noon, we are using only the smaller part for that touches the our upper palate. But for lam, we take taraful arib for it starts from dhahik ila dhahik. It's a arib means bigger part of your taraful lisan. So if you are taking little part, it will be converted into noon. So be careful. Take a longer the whole makhraj of lam, so it should not go into your nose. Otherwise, it will sound like noon. Focus on E sound at. For fatha, hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws, attach it ta. Ta is sharp too. When I say sharp, it means there is no flow of sound or breath. At ta, and it cuts off the sound, so the sound cuts off here. At ta for fatha open jaws. Khi focus on E sound and make fa heavy. Khi du for dhamma circular lips, the sound is short. Huwa for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. For li, focus on E sound, attach it ya. Ya will get nabar. But be careful when you are applying nabar, you are not cutting off the sound. If I can write it for you, waw is attached with ya, and the first ya is with sukoon. So it will get rakhawa. So when you are attaching waw with ya, here you are giving rakhawa. Yes, you are giving nabar, but don't ignore rakhawa. Rakhawa means flow of sound. So yang, so there should not be any cut off sound. Okay, the sound should flow. Give hamza in fa, and then make it 2 counts long, and keep fa light. Why I say that fa is light? Because whenever there is heavy letter coming up, we tend to make the letters beside it heavy too. Be very careful. Keep fa light. Fa, pri. Fa is heavy. Fa is the heaviest letter in Quran, so make sure you're giving itbaq into it and make it extra heavy. Pri, fa, pri. It is ra is heavy, light here because there is kasra on it. It is give rakhawa, safi, and make seem light. It is for fatha upon jaws. Ma, 2 counts long. Wa, 2 counts long. T, focus with E sound. Well, makhraj of power circling your lips. Fatha upon jaws, attach it lam, now and gets pop the wasut. Oh, Hamza is very sharp. For fatha upon jaws, attach it ra, ra will get pop the wasut. Ra is heavy because there is fatha before it. Oh, we focus with E sound. The sound is short. Wa, for makhraj of power circling your lips. Fatha upon jaws. Who, for the ma circling lips, the sound is short. Wa, makhraj of power circling your lips. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Yuqa, for the ma circling lips, attach it pa. As you will touch pa, your lips should be in a straight position. And pa is heaviest letter in Quran. So make sure you give it itbaq. You are lifting your tongue nicely and giving a nice qalqala when you are blocking the flow of sound or breath. That is making it a very nice, it is giving it a very nice qalqala. Yopa, I, focus again, E sound, and I should be from your throat. Mu, for the ma circling lips, the sound is short. Wa, makhraj of waw circling your lips, but open jaws. La, 2 counts long. Yopa, for the ma circling lips, attach it pa, pa will get sifa qalqala, and it is heavy, it has itbaq. Yopa, I'm from your throat, for fatha open jaws, attach it mim, you get sifa of the wasut, and hukmuhu idhar. Qul, qaf is heavy for dhamma, circling lips, attach it lam, now you get sifa of the wasut. Make qaf heavy, but keep lam light. Qul, in, hamza is very sharp, focus at it, E sound, attach it nun, you get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni, 4 counts long, mad added the sukoon. Oh, sorry. It is mad munfasil jaiz, subhanallah. Surely this is mad munfasil jaiz. Inni, for dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Niz, for kasra give in sound and as in ra will get sifa of the wasat. And ra will be light here because there is kasra before it. Niz, 2, for dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. And hamza is sharp, for fatha open jaws, attach it nun, you get sifa of the wasat, and hukmuhu idhar. Hamza is very sharp, for fatha open jaws. For the ma circle, let's make it 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open your jaws. Hamza is very sharp, for fatha open jaws, attach it waw, waw will get sifa of nabar. And yes, there should not be any cut off sound. For fatha open jaws. La, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Man, for fatha open jaws, attach it nun, you get sifa of the wasut, and hukmuhu idhar. As, for fatha open jaws, attach it sin, you get sifa of rakhawa, it is light, and it has a safir. Lam, for fatha open jaws, attach it mim, you get sifa of the wasut, and hukmuhu idhar. Wa, makhraj of waw circling your lips, for fatha open jaws. La, 2 counts long. Ta, very sharp sound, for fatha open jaws. Ooh, for the ma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Nan, for fatha open jaws, attach it nun, you get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mi, for kasra give E sound. Nal, for fatha open jaws, attach it lam, you get sifa of the wasut. Mush, for the ma circle lips, attach it shin, you get sifa of rafawa. The first shin. Mush. And make sure you're not giving any shape to your lips when you are giving rakhawa on sheen or giving tafashi on sheen. The tafashi depends and the rakhawa depends in inner part of your mouth but not on your lips. Mush. So don't give any shape to your lips. There is nothing to do lips with makhraj of sheen. Mush. Li. For kasra give E sound. Ra is light because there is kasra before it, under it. Eri, keen. because of those verbs, you are giving temporary sukoon. Here, this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad adat sukoon. قل أغير الله أتخذ وليا قل أغير الله أتخذ وليا فاطر السماوات والأرض وهو يطعم ولا يطعم قل إني أمرت أن أكون أول من أسلم ولا تكونن من المشركين قل قاف is heavy for Dhamma, circle your lips, attach it lam, now will get tip of the wasut, and as you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position and lam should be light. قل إني Hamza is attached with noon, we will get tip of qunna, and then it is 4 counts long because this is mad, subhanallah, mad munfasil jaiz, make it 4 counts long. Inni Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws. Kha is heavy, make it 2 counts long, and kha is munfatiha. Even though it is heavy, but the letter is munfatiha. Khafu for the circle lyrics, the sound is short. In Hamza is very sharp, focus target E sound attached with noon, will get tip of tawasut, and hukmuhu idhar. Ayn from your throat, for fatha upon jaws. Swad is heavy, and there is a yaideen, so you are making it soft. Tu for the circle left, the sound is short. Rabbi, ra is heavy when there is fatha dhamma on ra, it is heavy. Rab and ba is shidda letter, so the sound will cut off. Rabbi 2 counts long, then it is 2 counts long. Focus on E sound and make it 2 counts long. Ayn from your throat, for fatha upon jaws. The 2 counts long. The for fatha upon jaws. And make sure you engage the right makhraj of zal. Otherwise, the zabzaba letter sound will go away, and that is making dal the sound of dal. We are not pronouncing dal, but we are saying zal. Ada, ba, for fatha upon jaws. This is wawlin, so make it soft. When you are attaching fatha with waw, you are making soft connection. Min for kasragi E sound, and the sifa is the wasat and hukmuhu idhar. Ayn from your throat, for fatha upon jaws. Because of this verb, you are giving temporary sukoon on meme. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long into 4. This is mad adat li sukoon. قل إني أخاف إن عصيت ربي عذاب يوم عظيم. For fatha upon jaws, and this is idgham. This idgham is with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Use for dhamma circle lips attaches swad will get sifa after a forward, and it is heavy and it has safir. Use rough for ra is heavy because there is fatha on it, and fa will get sifa after a forward, and hams rough. Ayn from your throat, for fatha upon jaws attached noon will get sifa after wasat, and hukmuhu idhar. Anhu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Eow, this is wawlin, so you are making it soft. Eow, ma for fatha upon jaws. E for kasragil E sound. Dim, this ikhfa is light, so you keep your tongue straight and you will go towards the makhraj of fa. but you're not actually touching it until you're pronouncing fa. Okay? Yawma, يومئذ and give Hamsin fa for fatha open jaws. Qad, qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws attached dal. Dal will get sipa of qalqala, and this is majhura, so the qalqala should be very crisp and very clear. Qad, qaf is heavy and keep dal light. Qad, ra is heavy whenever there is fatha on dhamma or dhamma on ra, it is heavy. Ra, hima, for kasra keep e sound on ha. Ma, for fatha open jaws attached ha. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon on ha, and ha will get sipa of rakhawa now. Ma. Makhraj of power circling your lips, fatha open jaws. Zal has zab sound and make it 2 counts long. For kasra keep e sound. Kal, for fatha open jaws attached lam will get sipa of tawassut, and hukmuhu is hard. So, this is wawlin, so make it soft. And fa will get sipa of hams. Saw, zul, for dhamma circular lips at lam. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Mu, for dhamma circular lips. Deen, because of the work, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad added sukoon. And make sure you open your mouth when you're saying deen, because you are trying to keep your tongue away from your palate, because this is the makhraj of ya. Man yusraf anhu yawma'idin faqad rahimah وذلك الفوز المبين. Makhraj of power circling your lips for top and jaws. This is gone without with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Yam for top and jaws attached meme will get sipa of the wasut and hukmuhu is hard. Ses for top and jaws attached sin will get sipa of rakhawa, safi, and it is light. Cow, keep calf light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Law. Make sure you engage the broad part of your lisan, of your tongue, to pronounce this lam. Law, 2 counts long. Who, for the circular lips, the sound is short. D, for kasra keep e sound. Dur, for dod is heavy, for the circular lips attached ra. This is idgham ikhfa with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Dur, yes. And ra will be light. Dur, okay, I can go through it again. Dod is heavy for the circular lips, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so you are keeping your tongue straight. You are giving towards the makhraj of fa. You are hiding the sound of noon. Actually, there was a noon sound here, rin, but now we are hiding this noon sound. Give hamsin fa for fatha open jaws. La, 2 counts long. Ka, 2 counts long, and you make up light. She, for kasra e sound. Sa, give hamsin fa for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. La, for fatha open jaws. Ru, mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long. Il, hamza is sharp for kasra e sound attached lam. Now we get sipa of tawassut. La, 2 counts long. Who, for the circular lips, and make it 2 counts long because of this work. It has turned into 2 counts long vowel now. Makhraj of power circling your lips, fatha open jaws. It's gone with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Keep ya light for fatha open jaws attached meme. You will get sipa of tawassut and hukmuhu is hard. Ses, for fatha open jaws attached sin will get sipa of rakhawa. It is light and it has Safir. Ka for fatha upon the jaws, the sound is short and light. B for kasra with E sound. Khoi, Kha is munfatiha letter and it is heavy. So bring the infita in Kha. B khoi, khoi, and this is Yailin. So when you are typing fatha with ya, here you are bringing softness. Khoi, this is ikhfa, light ikhfa. So you're keeping your tongue straight. You're going towards the makhraj of fa. You should be very close to the makhraj of fa when you are saying this ikhfa. And the important part of ikhfa is gunna. So don't ever miss making gunna while you're creating ikhfa. Give hamza and fa for fatha upon jaws. Who for the circle lips, the sound is short. Uwa, makhraj of waw, circling your lips, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ain from your throat, for fatha upon jaws. La, 2 counts long. Kul, for the circle lips, the type of lam, now only gets popped over. So, li, for kasra E sound. Kulli, shay. This is Yailin, so make it soft. When you are attaching fatha with ya, here you are giving softness. This is ikhfa and this ikhfa is heavy. So you are blocking the makhraj of makhraj and you are creating heavy ikhfa by lifting your tongue nicely up. Off is heavy for top on jaws. Because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this ra, heavy ra into light ra because there is ya before it, and this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This mada plus sukoon. وَإِن يَمْسَسْكَ اللَّهُ بِضُرٍّ فَلَا كَاشِفَ لَهُ إِلَّا هُوَ وَإِن يَمْسَسْكَ بِخَيْرٍ فَهُوَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ. Makhraj of waw is circling your lips, for fatha upon jaws. Who for dhamma circling lips, the sound is short. Well for fatha upon jaws, attach it lam, now you get the pop tawassut. Qaf is heavy. So with mad alif, this heaviness has more heaviness here. Because this level is higher. You remember, this is the first level of heaviness when you have heavy letter here and you have mud. So this is the first heaviest level of heavy letters. He focus again E sound. Ra is heavy for dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Fa, give hamza and fa, and this is wawlin, so make it soft. When you are attaching fatha with waw, here you are creating softness. Fa, qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Ain from your throat for kasra E sound. Ba, give ba light and make it 2 counts long. D, for kasra E sound, attach it ha will get sifa of raqa. Because of this work, we are giving sukoon here. This sukoon has bring in rakhaw on ha. D. Uwa, makhraj of waw, circling your lips, fatha upon jaws. Who for dhamma circling lips. Well, for fatha upon jaws, attach it lam. Now we get sifa of the wasul of muhit of. Ha for fatha upon jaws. E. 2 counts long and make kaf light. Mul for dhamma circle lips, attach it lam. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position and there's the wasat on lam. Kha is heavy and this is munfatiha, so bring in infitah, sifa of infitah here. Kha, these. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon on ra, and this has made ra light because there is ya before it. And then this turn to this temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lisukun. وهو القاهر فوق عباده وهو القاهر فوق عباده وهو العزيز الخبير وهو القاهر فوق عباده وهو الحكيم الخبير. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.